Hello, welcome to Experiencing Real Chinese. Today we're going to be cooking a very popular Chinese home-style dish, 炒土豆丝, or stir-fried shredded potatoes. So what do we need for this dish? We need 2 potatoes, about 200 grams, 2 cloves of garlic, pieces of green onions, a pinch of green Sichuan peppercorn, 1 to 2 grams of salt, 3 to 5 millimeters of light soy sauce. That's all. Let's do it now. Step 1. Wash the potatoes and peel them. Step 2. Chop them into small, long pieces. Slice the garlic and chop the green onions. Step 4. Wash the shredded potatoes at least twice to remove the starch. Step 5. Boil the water into the wok until it's boiling. Put the shredded potatoes and cook them for 30 seconds. Step 7. Drain and set aside them. Step 8. Add some oil in the hot wok and add garlic and white chili and cook them for about 10 seconds. Step 9. Add the shredded potatoes and stir fry them for about 30 seconds and then seasoning. Step 10. Add salt, light soy sauce and the chopped green onions and fry a little bit, and then it is ready to serve. Of course, you can add some fresh green peppers and it becomes 青椒土豆丝, or stir-fried shredded potatoes and green peppers. Or you can add some vinegar and it becomes 酸辣土豆丝, sour and spicy stir-fried shredded potatoes. And the total cost of this dish is only 50 cents, American cents. Enjoy it!